These are the supplies you will need to get started. Today we're going to look at the work of Sonia Delaunay. Sonia Delaunay was an abstract painter, textile and fashion designer, and interior set designer. She used the element of shape in her work, in particular geometric shapes, which include circles, triangles, rectangles, and squares. She also used bold color. Here are some examples of some of her pieces. What kind of geometric shapes do you see? Do you see other elements of art, such as line? She also used concentric circles. Concentric circle is a repetition of circles that share the same center. Today we're going to practice making concentric circles. Starting with your largest circle, you want to decide where on your page you'd like to put it. Once you've decided, then you're going to trace your largest circle first. And then you're going to choose your next largest circle and trace that. And you're going to continue this until you get to the center with your smallest circle. This is a concentric circle. So you're repeating circles, but they all share the same center. Once you're all done, you have a symmetrical concentric circle. You're going to create a line in the center, so each side is exactly the same. Now we're going to make our circle asymmetrical. So using watercolors, you're going to wet each color on your color palette. And the way we're going to make it asymmetrical, which means that one side will be different than the other side, is using color. So I'm only going to use the color up to where my line is, and then I'm going to choose a different color for the other side. I'm going to continue to do this until I've filled in the entire page. So notice how light my colors are. You want to let it dry slightly, and then you go back in with your color and add another layer of color to make it really bold. Bold is another way of saying really bright and saturated with a lot of pigment. Pigment is a fancy word for saying color. Once you're all done, let it dry. Then you're going to photograph it, add to Art Sonia, and then you're ready for cleanup. Take out your portfolio and put it in, and you're done. Ready for next time.